Hey guys, welcome back to Natural Times 2. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get short 4C hair up into a top knot. So if you're interested in seeing how I get that done, make sure you keep watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button so you don't miss any uploads. Without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, this is my first attempt at getting my hair in a top knot, and it really wasn't a good idea to try to put it all in one ponytail because the top of my head just looked very poofy and I couldn't get enough hair to get the top in the knot formation. So my second attempt, I went and split my hair into half, which was a good idea, but I went ahead and put those two sections in different ponytails, and so it just wasn't working when I tried to put them together. So in my third attempt, I still kept my hair in halves, but instead of trying to put them in separate ponytails, I first secured the back in a ponytail and then clipped the front onto that same ponytail. So all of my hair was concentrated in the middle of my hair, and I had enough hair to fold over into a knot on the top of my head. Thank you.